Hello, good afternoon, everybody. As y'all saw from the previous clip, I'm having Senor chicken. Please excuse me with my hair. I'm doing my hair because I know I gotta sing this Friday. And just a minute. The reason why, that's a shock. The reason why I'm doing my hair is because I gotta sing Friday. And I gotta make sure my hair look good. And I know today's one of the days where I'm only gonna have time for it. That's why y'all see me a little bit more casual than usual. So as y'all saw in the picture, I'm having onion rings, my favorite onion rings, the poppin' onion rings, the rice and beans, and the Peruvian chicken. And I got my knife and fork. Y'all already know I'm about to dig in. Let me eat! And don't worry, if I look like I'm reaching for something, it's because my napkins are right here. Ooh. Time to dip the cream. Y'all already know how I do. And this time, I'll take my y'all know, my pills for later. I'm not going to repeat what I did yesterday. I was like, oh, I forgot about my pills. And then boom, everything spilled over. But you know what? I'm probably not going to remember. You know. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause my stuff because, you know, I don't like quiet stuff. And I'll be right back to get my pills. Time to take them. Oh God. Not that much though. Alrighty then. There you go. I do 4 because sometimes things get stuck. Alrighty then.
Okay, Reese, what did you decide?
I would love to have like a relationship with you. So I have decided makeup. Brendan, what did you decide? I've decided to make up as well. Just seeing you again just brings all my feelings back, and I'm excited to see.
All right, enough BSing. Let me eat. Y'all know. Oof. You see how crispy that chone is? Yeah, man.
What's up, dude? Just best friends?
What's going on?
What's important is you got your friend back.
Hi, Reese. Well, it's good to see you, man.
I'm gonna do the catch up for the sake of.
Brandon! So we just got off the phone with Reese.
Do the catch up for the sake of my son, since my son.
Do you think you'll ever ghost me?
Oh my gosh. I've been craving this. I craved this yesterday, actually. To tell y'all guys the truth, the reason why I didn't do it yesterday because y'all already saw my other video. To see what the hype is with this chicken sandwich. Y'all ever see this new show they're having? Y'all familiar with Catfish, right? Now they have this new show called Ghost, and I believe that's what I think it's called. It's very interesting. All right. Let me get my protein on before I go crazy. Oh yeah, I forgot. Beans are protein, right? Beans are protein. I was talking to my boyfriend while I was doing Marco Poloing while waiting for my food. And I was letting him know that I've been trying to do my hair since, 8. I woke up and I just started doing it because I know it takes a long time. And I don't want to take all night doing it. I want to go to sleep. But I'm willing to take a break if I gotta eat, which I do. So I do half of it. It's the other half. I did like the bottom of the other half already. And I was somehow tired and exhausted and hungry, and I did this. And I was like, yo, tell me why it looks like I got my brows done. It's a blessing to be natural. But anyway. He was like, yo, it do look like you got your brows done. Mm. Mm. Mm.
Dallas is getting more and more intrigued. The longer safari makes it like one time she was like, "Would you be down for a threesome?" But then really, if you're like, "Oh yeah."
Mm.
Well, Audible Escape. A month
All right.
listening to thousands of books. Anytime,
Mm.
anywhere. Are you ready to fall in love?
Mm.
So, it's only 1 month.
Exit. Exit. What's going on? But yeah, this show is interesting. I ain't for full wedding. Nah, I ain't gonna do this. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all know how I do. What's going on with 59? Y'all know. Ooh, Fatal Attraction, turn up. Y'all know I don't like crying from myself. The jokes are tricker. Ooh. Mm. Mm. I'm sorry I didn't share it with y'all. I promise, next piece. Mm-hmm.
So was it Kelvin out there? How was it the truck driver arguing with her?
Either way, detectives are determined to follow up on the information provided by young Jordan. They start by visiting the gas
Hope I ain't got no
station
phone call.
just down the road from
If there's a phone call, I will push him back. I don't care.
And began scrubbing through the footage looking for any sign of Keonta, Kelvin, or even
Alright.
James, the man
Do some rice and beans.
she met the night before.
Scrolling through the footage, detectives determined that Keonta arrived at the gas station at approximately 6 a.m. the morning of February 9th.
She stopped on the pumps there, put some fuel in her vehicle, the black SUV.
Woo!
She leaves the gas station.
But as
This green sauce with a combination with the cream. The cream gives flavor, and the white cream gives flavor, and the green gives a kick to your mouth. I love it. My dad asked me how's my throat. I was like, I've been eating normally again. But I understand why he hasn't been paying attention. His meds made him forgetful. And he just remembered I had a throat problem. Okay, I'm trying to debate this. This tastes better with ketchup or the green and white sauce.
Uses technology to foster real learning and collaboration, so students build the skills they need for opportunities in the digital world. Connections Academy is a tuition-free online public school led by teachers who raise the bar. This is education that breaks the mold. Personalized, flexible, future-ready.
I was trying not to be greedy, y'all.
Bring school to life. Visit
I wanted to do
Connections
2
Academy.
orders of onion rings. Their onion rings are such.
Stand up to chronic migraine with Botox. What if you had fewer headaches and migraines a month? Botox prevents headaches and migraines before they even start. Botox is for adults with chronic migraine.
It's the crunch, too.
8 days a month, each lasting 4 hours or more.
And being how
Botox
crispy they are.
injections take about 15 minutes in your doctor's office and are covered by most insurance.
The effects of Botox may spread hours to weeks after injection, causing serious symptoms. Alert your doctor right away.
I've never got on.
Speaking and breathing, eye problems, or muscle weakness can be signs of a life-threatening condition. Side effects may include allergic reactions, neck and injection site
I know it ain't labeled like
and headache. Don't receive Botox if there's a skin
to not eat with a knife and fork.
muscle or nerve
But sometimes it be like that. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting. This ain't a good piece. I'm sorry, y'all. But probably with the fork. I was trying to rip the whole entire drumstick off, and that's what happened.
Around 6 a.m. on the morning of her disappearance, a security camera at a service station in
Come here.
Gainesville, Florida,
Get over here.
Keonta Williams alive and well. But what happened to Keonta and her missing boyfriend, Kelvin Bryant, after that still remains a mystery.
Investigators at this point know that Keonta and her boyfriend, Kelvin Bryant, are on the outs and that she's falling hard for a trucker named James. But neither of these two men were caught on camera that morning, so there's no way to know for certain if either of these two men were responsible for her disappearance or if it was someone else entirely.
Finally, 24 hours into the
You know it's good when you're
investigation,
literally ripping the skin off though.
with the help of police in Georgia, detectives in
You know.
Gainesville managed to locate James Matthews
Who calling?
on one of his trucking routes.
Right in the air, credit services.
Georgia State line. Within hours, James is sitting in an interview room waiting to be questioned.
And
by
again, the air
detectives.
conditioner goes on eco mode.
I'm Detective Marcia Frank.
Yes, what's this about?
We're investigating the disappearance of Keonta Williams, and we have reason to believe that you may be one of the last people to have
Alright, let me cut a piece for y'all guys.
What?
Let me be a little ladylike.
You spoke to Keonta.
Well, we met early Monday morning at a truck stop.
Let me be ladylike.
Now, hang out a bit and then
Hope I don't knock something over in the process. Alright. Here you go, guys.
They parted ways in the middle of the night or later, early that Monday morning.
Okay. Where was the truck
Did I
stop?
get a good focus?
Okay, so you weren't in Gainesville that night?
no.
Alright.
Did you have a problem with the fact that Keonta was still living with another man?
Look, she said they were not together. Alright? Check my truck log.
He had information from Grub. He was not in the Gainesville area on the morning of the 9th.
We had the police from there follow up to verify that the story he was giving us was correct.
Not only is James Matthews' story confirmed by his employer, it gels with the statements given by Keonta's oldest son, Xavier.
So at this point, all suspicion falls back on Kelvin.
I need to give the cashier another chance. I don't know.
Law enforcement was doing everything that we could to find her.
But the case is about to
That's
take
the same.
another bizarre turn.
Kelvin showed up at his sister's residence late Tuesday night.
It's not the same at all.
As she exited her car, her brother came out of the dark SUV from the driver's compartment.
Are you okay? She's aware that the couple has been reported missing. Kelvin is disheveled and just seems out of it. Let's go inside.
She said, "Come on in.
More
I have
cream.
food for you." So she fed him.
His clothes have some odd stains on them and smell like he's been wearing them a few days.
So she left the home, gave him some kind of ruse of why she was leaving, then called us.
Within the hour, detectives and patrolmen from the Alachua County Sheriff's Office descend on the residence.
Alachua County Sheriff's Department, come out! He ended up coming out on his own. He was quiet, didn't say much. He was just placing handcuffs.
As Kelvin Bryant stews in the back of a squad
Now what I'm about to do
detectives
is
search Keonta's SUV.
take another piece of
While there's no
chicken
sign of Keonta, what they
and-
find is disturbing.
Whoops.
There's blood spatter all over this vehicle. Most of
Let
it
me-
was concentrated in the front passenger seat.
Adjust this so I can cut it better and I don't knock my Pepsi over.
Isn't exactly forthcoming.
His demeanor was kind of just.
Let me
not
remove
there.
some of these
You know, he
bones
didn't
out the
wanna
way.
talk about it. He was kind of out of it.
While Keonta's
Let me-
SUV is towed to the police
Well,
impound
I didn't realize there was still
for
fork.
processing.
There was still green sauce on my
Detectives
fork.
escort Kelvin Bryant back to the station
So-
for questioning.
Oh, you don't want to come out. If you don't cut.
He never made any denials
There you go.
or made any statements confirming he did have any sort of involvement.
With Kelvin refusing to answer questions, police instead begin collecting physical evidence from him.
He was wearing a heavier jacket, a t-shirt, dark blue jeans. We collected the clothing after he was arrested that night.
As the forensic unit begins
Follow me,
processing
y'all.
Kelvin's clothing, they discover something odd.
He was wearing it inside out. Once it was turned right side out, we noticed numerous stains that could possibly be blood.
The only questions that remain are if those stains are indeed blood, and if that blood belongs to Keonta Williams.
Though the evidence doesn't give investigators everything they need to charge Kelvin with murder, they do have enough evidence to book him on the charge of grand theft auto.
Until DNA tests came back matching the blood on Calvin's clothes and the blood in Keonta's vehicle to Keonta's DNA, there's no proof of a violent crime. Still, police don't want to take a chance letting a potentially dangerous man out on the street.
I was very upset. It took me completely by surprise.
Now that Kelvin Bryant is safely behind bars, investigators' number one priority is locating Keonta.
I had concerns that he had seriously injured her and dumped her somewhere.
But without Keonta's cell phone records, pinpointing her whereabouts will be difficult. Thankfully, the following morning, a judge signs off on the subpoena granting investigators access to Kelvin and Keonta's cell phones and the GPS data that was tracking the two devices.
We received information from one of the search warrants we got the morning of the night. Those phones traveled from Alachua County.
It's the crispiest they've ever been.
With a renewed sense of urgency, authorities order an extensive search of the terrain.
It was crucial to hit the ground running with searching. So they searched by air, they searched on land to find this woman.
But as the days and then weeks go by, it's clear Keonta will be no
Oh God.
It was kind of like finding
Excuse
a
me.
needle in a haystack.
I gotta remember I need to say excuse me.
60 days after Keonta disappeared, there's still no sign of her.
I'm about to stop
Still refuses to
cutting
talk,
it.
and the case
Because
is moving closer to being resolved. For Keonta's family
I'm trying to be
and friends,
primed
the
and
pain was
prepared,
almost
but
too much to bear.
I guess when you're hungry,
Story that the family was in was
it's too much.
and none were affected.
Oh, excuse me.
Children.
I forgot to cover my mouth. You know what? I'm about to pick this up. I don't care.
You just saw me. It's like I want my mama. And say, well, that's, pray.
But will the family's prayers be answered? As those closest to the case are about to find out, it's indeed always darkest before dawn.
To get my child. That I needed. I was not going to ever be closed if I didn't stop.
I don't know. It just feels better to cut it. Best believe, once it gets to the nitty gritty, ooh, the skin. Let me ask y'all something. When it comes to Peruvian chicken, do y'all like the skin?
The $1 movers.
I love it.
Or you could get a real deal.
It's like the best part.
Buy one, get one for $1 deal this year. Buy one of your faves and choose another for just an extra $1. Choose from the Big Mac, filet of fish, quarter pounder with cheese, and 10-piece chicken nuggets.
Ain't nobody studying McDonald's. That might be another thing that I probably won't do or move bongs. It's McDonald's. I'm like, for what? Oh, shoot. You know what? I think I need to take my other meds. I'll be back, y'all. I'm back! And this ain't the meds I wanted. But whatever. It's good for headaches. I was trying to look for my Excedrin tension headache, but I guess this will do.
Police calls, like people, oh yeah, they found her body. And I called the district attorney. I was like, no, we haven't found anything. And that happened, I want to say like 2 or 3 times. And I just remember praying, and I was like, Lord, I'll accept it for what it is. Just bring it to an end.
Okay, now where were we?
Look around. So many
Sorry.
of us run our phones and laptops.
I realize I'm eating and I realize
Shopping online,
I need to take my meds.
and applications. In the connected world we live in, our personal information is
It's already
What happens
1:46 in the afternoon.
in the hands of identity thieves?
In the DMV.
Calls from credit collection companies. They wanted payment for things that I did not do.
Your information is in a lot of places. Your protection should be too. That's
That's why LifeLock includes the power of Norton Security for even more protection for your identity and your devices, where so much of your personal information lives.
Well,
Identity theft is
the
more
good
than
news
just
is
crooks making charges on your credit card. When a criminal has your personal information, they can do all
the
sorts of
security.
things in your name. Take out loans, file tax returns, buy property, and more.
The security, I feel like I'm in competition. Took away the eco thing and put the AC back on. After this, I'm definitely going to drink more water while doing my hair. Mm. 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 I miss my son so much. Mm. Mm. Y'all have no idea. I've been distracting myself, y'all. I need to call him. I don't want people to think, what is going on here? What is going on here? What is going on here? Why is there somebody there? There's somebody at the door, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Let me stop this. So sorry about that, guys. I had to answer the door. I realized that it was a lady who gave my order recently, and she thought I did another one. I think people get... See, where I live is in Buck Lodge Road. But see, when it comes to Buck Lodge, there's 3 streets under one name. Where I am is Buck Lodge Road. Then further up the hill, when you make that corner, that's Buck Lodge Court. And then all the way to the other side of the cemetery is Buck Lodge Terrace. Some people just read Buck Lodge and that's it. I don't know who used the app, but she asked me when I did my order where I did it through. I told her Grubhub because that's what I always do. And the person who did their order did from a different app. I was like, well, that ain't me. I am a loyal Grubhub member, and that just threw me off. Because I was like, who the hell? And when it comes to my orders, I don't wait for them to get to the door. The app already lets me know you're, well, except for China Golden. China Golden kind of sneaks up on your ass. But everything else, if I see my order pull up, I'm in front of the security guard, and I'm gonna open the door. I'll never be that hungry to do 2 orders. That's too much. Yeah. That was crazy. They really thought I ordered twice. I was like, I wonder if they got the address wrong or I don't know.
Everyone had been searching for Keonta more than enough to know
I'm gonna just stop talking for a minute, y'all. Let me just focus on eating. Try to get better. Because I'm feeling... I got 3 onion rings left.
Earl wanted her daughter home and to pay proper respects and proper burial, and that the kids could also have that closure as well.
Family of Keonta asked us to try and resolve the case by having Kelly Ryan tell us where Keonta exchange for a large term of years in prison. And that's what we did.
The agreement was Mr. Bryant would show law enforcement where Miss Williams' body was located and an addition of guilt.
Kelvin ultimately decided to take the deal, and on April 9th, 2015, he led a convoy of police and prosecutors outside Notice. It's kind of out in the middle of nowhere, and he said between this area is where she'll be. We got out, started what we call a grid search.
He said her body's going to be in this narrow stretch road somewhere in this ditch line. We located her body.
Oh, wow.
She's there, Kelly. It's clear, but she's pretty intact. Did the right thing. There were some injuries on her consistent with being stabbed with a knife-type object. Should they be looking for the right? Can you tell me how close now? Not really. I'm not able to 10 feet. On the other side of the fence. It was a kitchen knife. Steak knife.
Operating off of this description, investigators soon recover the murder weapon, a 6-inch steak knife. When Keonta's loved ones learn of the development, they're devastated, but also relieved.
61 days. No one knows. The pain. I would have traded places in a heartbeat.
Oppression and suffer. I just want to know what happened.
With the recovery of Keonta's body, it seems the only mystery remaining is how this brutal crime unfolded. It's Kelvin Bryant who fills in the missing details.
Kelvin, are you crazy? You scared me.
That morning, Kelvin says Keonta returned home around 5 a.m. She went to get gas, and when she returned to the couple's home, they got into an argument.
Who's that guy, son?
What do you care? You've been cheating on me this whole time.
It's not right. We still live together.
We're over. When are you gonna accept that?
Kelvin Bryant still had emotional feelings for Keonta Williams for him to get so upset that she got on April 24th.
Concerned that her children would hear them arguing, Keonta suggests they take a quick drive and discuss their relationship.
While driving northbound through the county,
Oopsie.
they continue to argue until they pulled onto the county road. At some point in time during that, Miss Williams told Kelvin to get out of the vehicle. Yeah, I'm finishing it. You know what? You're right.
Kelvin, really?
Before he got out of the car, he turned the car off, grabbed the keys, and threw them in the floorboard.
Kelvin, are you serious? That was so childish. What's wrong with you? I don't have time to be out here arguing with you. I gotta get back to the kids.
Obviously, now that she's that much madder, they're arguing on the passenger side of the car, which is facing towards the ditch area.
This is your fault.
My fault. My fault. All right. As soon as I get my keys, I'm gonna call the cops. And we'll see.
He said at this point he just lost it.
Kelvin grabs the kitchen knife that Keonta kept beneath the passenger seat for security.
He stabbed her multiple times. Even he's not sure how many times he stabbed her.
He said at some point he passed out. When he came to, he realized, crap, what have I done?
After discarding her body there at the roadside, he got back in the vehicle and fled the area. She was left there at the ditch line. He was angry with her. He snapped.
With a crime of passion, we can't measure someone's love based on, how could you kill this person? People do a lot of things when they're in emotional pain.
I think he did love her, but I think he realized he was also losing her, losing the relationship.
She was just trying to move on. It triggered an insane jealousy in Calvin that turned deadly.
Though detectives still believe the crime may have been premeditated, their hands are tied by the terms of Kelvin's plea deal.
Kelvin Bryant entered a plea to second-degree murder. It wasn't until we had this agreement that he was willing to come out and show us where Keonta Williams' body was.
On April 21st, 2015, Kelvin Bryant is Keonta's loved ones are relieved justice has been served. They wish there was more they could have done to prevent this tragedy from ever happening.
I wish.
Have eaten a bit of chicken neck.
As in change the laws, as in move. Anything to stay away from him.
Raise our awareness, watch the signs, and be aware of them. Get out early. Keon just lost her life, and children have lost their parents. Oh, the crowd was just loving too easily, and too hard, and too fast. She just wanted to have that family.
Be careful if you bring around your children. Take time to know a person. Don't move a man into your house with your children. Because you never know. You never know.
Yeah, guys, I'm just gonna eat. I'm sorry I'm not as high energy. And I'm worried about phone call interruptions. Lately, I'm getting telephone interruptions. Me forgetting about my meds. The one thing about Peruvian chicken, it gets you full fast. And I'm not a fast eater. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm glad I ordered half and not a quarter. I'm going to go ahead and, oh, I don't know if y'all heard that, but yeah. I'm going to go ahead and save the other chicken for later when I get hungry again. Or maybe save it for tomorrow. I don't even think I'm going to finish this first half. Got a little bit of some. Because I got so much to do. It's already 2 o'clock. And I got to finish the other half of my hair. I look weird.
Daniel, Gigi? Joan's niece Griselda is supposed to be working that day, but she's nowhere to be found.
As Joan proceeds to the reception area, she encounters a shocking scene.
Daniel?
When she got to the reception area, is when she observed the victim slumped over the computer, blood running.
The man lying motionless in a pool of blood is 20-year-old Daniel Rivera, the clinic's massage therapist. Terrified, Joan calls out for her niece.
She found Daniel. She was worried about Griselda. Griselda's car is still there.
Joan races outside, fumbling for her cell phone.
Orange County Sheriff's Office received a 911 call from a male caller advising his wife had been to the business and observed a subject surrounded by blood.
Within minutes, police respond to the gruesome scene.
They came in and they discovered the man who was at a desk with his head down and he was deceased.
The victim was shot point blank in the back of the head as he was sitting there playing the game of solitaire.
A frantic Joan Lacey desperately informs police that her niece, Griselda J.J. Major, was supposed to be at the office.
Oh, my nose.
But where is she?
We're trying to reach Gigi.
Law enforcement and loved ones
Yeah, I'm done, y'all.
an answer that's still yet unknown.
Oh. Don't you just hate it when you try to sneeze or burp and it goes up your nose instead? That's what just happened to me. That's why I was holding my nose. I'm just grateful that I got no phone calls.
For Griselda Casamajor,
I'm done, y'all. I'm done. I can't eat anymore.
A patient-born parents.
It started to become unappetizing.
Children. Her parents taught them kind-heartedness.
I'm gonna save this for later. Alright, guys, I'm gone. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. Please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. Excuse me. I'm probably gassy. That's probably what's going on. But I probably am full. So, well, yeah, I had to tell you I'm gone. Well, yeah, have a nice day, right? I'm gone. Your girl gone. Bye bye.
She had her